Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a perfect landing in Fortnite. First, select your drop spot carefully. Look for areas with good loot and fewer enemies to avoid early confrontations. Marking your target on the map before you jump from the battle bus is crucial. This helps you maintain focus and plan your descent path effectively. A good initial choice sets the stage for a successful match. Next, focus on optimal glider deployment. For maximum horizontal travel, deploy your glider when you are approximately 700 to 800 meters above your chosen landing spot. This altitude allows you to cover significant ground while maintaining good speed. Adjust your angle slightly to glide smoothly towards your mark, ensuring you don't overshoot or undershoot your destination. Mastering your descent speed is key. Begin by diving straight down to build up maximum speed, then level out to control your trajectory. Aim to maintain a consistent speed of about 120 to 130 meters per second. This speed offers a good balance between quick descent and precise control. Make small, subtle adjustments to avoid any obstacles and ensure a pinpoint landing. Finally, execute a precision landing. Try to land directly on a weapon or a chest to gain an immediate advantage over opponents. Your first priority should be securing a weapon and any available shield potions. After grabbing essential gear, quickly scan your immediate surroundings for other players and additional loot. This swift action can significantly improve your early game survival and success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.